how to edit and cut part of your voice recording file on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then swipe up to go into the app screen and open up the Samsung folder. Next, tap on voice recorder, and then in here go to the voice recorder list, so tap on the list button. Open up the voice file that you want to edit. In here, tap on the edit button at the top. Once you are in edit mode, now you can drag on the beginning marker and end marker, and in this blue section is the selected part. After that, tap on the cut button. In here you have two options. You can choose deleted selected area or delete dim area. So the selected area is the one that is in blue, selected in blue color, and the dim area is the one that outside this blue area. So if I want to delete the selected area, I would select delete selected area, and you can see that selected areas will be removed. Now I can tap on the back key to discard the changes. So tap on edit, and again you can delete this part right here. Tap on delete and tap on delete selected area. If you make a mistake, you can always tap on the back key to discard the changes. Otherwise, you can tap on save to save the changes. Now you can save as a new recording, or you can replace the original file. If you don't want to lose the original file, just simply choose save as new recording. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.